Good day everyone, and welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. Looking for your PayPal account number to get paid? Here's the first thing you need to know this year. For 90% of PayPal users, your account number is just your confirmed email address or mobile phone number. That is what you give to friends or clients to receive money instantly. But if you're trying to set up a paycheck from your boss, you need something different. So if you need a actual bank style account and routing number for direct deposit, you open the PayPal app and tap Finances, or just go to your wallet on desktop, which is right over here. Look for the direct deposit section. This year, you might see a More icon, which is 3 dots, where you can select and go to direct deposit. And once there, you will have your 10-digit account number and 9-digit routing number that will be displayed. This effectively turns your PayPal balance into a virtual checking account. And if you want a even faster way to share your details without giving out your email, you can go to your profile settings and find your PayPal Me link. So it looks like paypal.me/your username. And this is considered your public account ID. You can send this link to anyone and they can pay you directly without ever seeing your private account numbers or email address. And also remember, never share your direct deposit account number on social media or with strangers. That's it for this one. If this breakdown helped you out, hit subscribe, like the video, and see you in the next one.